How to turn off Pinterest notifications. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up the Pinterest app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And here you want to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen and then click on settings. From the account information section, you want to click on notifications. So as you can see here, there are three types of notifications. You have the on Pinterest notifications, you have by email, and by push notifications. So depending on which type of notifications you want to turn off, you just click on it. Say for example you want to turn off the on Pinterest notification, and all what you have to do is just uncheck all of the boxes just like this, and that's it. You have just turned off the Pinterest notification on the app. Say for example you want to turn off the push notification of Pinterest. You just click on it, and here you have the option that says turn off all or turn off some of them. If you want to uncheck some of them, you just go ahead and do that. But let's say that you want to turn them off all at once, and just click on this confirmation that says turn off all, and that's it. The same goes for the email notification. Just click on it and again click on turn off all and confirm, and that's it. By doing this, you have just turned off and disabled all the notification from Pinterest, both in the app and email, as well as the push notification. So that was it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.